I'm so sorry. I did switch over my car insurance, and I didn't realize that I downloaded the app.
When did you end up switching over?
Can I look at my email?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
When did you end up switching over?
I switched over, honestly, it was probably like August.
Okay.
And because...
How are you guys? I'm Patrolman Malachi, Red Bank Police. You have your license registration insurance?
Yes, of course. Here's my license.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where are you guys coming from?
We're just coming from out to dinner.
Out to dinner?
I've never
Centrata.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then I'm just dropping him off, and then we're going.
Just dropping me off. Yeah.
Where are you dropping them off at?
Lincroft.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Kara, how's your license? Everything's good?
As far as I know, no points, no nothing. Everything's good, yes.
Okay. Alright. Listen, the reason I'm stopping you is because you were driving on the opposite side of the road when you were coming up White Street.
Oh.
Are you?
Okay, because...
Sorry, I was fucking around with her a little bit. That might have been my...
I've never drove him home before. He said keep left, and I'm like, I can't keep left yet because
I told her to keep left.
I know, and I thought that it was illegal to turn left and then switch lanes as you were turning, and then so I had to keep left as right after, and then I had to switch over the lanes.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Alrighty. How's your license? Everything's good?
Everything is good.
Okay. Alright. And you're the registered owner of the vehicle?
Yes, I am.
Alright, just give me 1 second. I'll be right back with you, alright? Real quick, do you have an updated insurance card? This one's expired.
Oh, yes, I'm sorry. Wait, what do you have in here? Registered or progressive?
That one looks like the same
This
date.
one?
No, that one expired.
This one?
That one expired as well. It's the same one.
Oh my gosh. Wait, I have the app on my phone.
Okay.
Just found. Do you have that?
Yeah, you have the phone. I can give that to you.
Oh, it's right here.
How do you guys know each other? Where's that?
Eatontown?
What? My bad. What is that?
Oh, it's just
like a
restaurant.
steakhouse.
Alright.
I'm sorry, I thought I had the app.
You're good.
Wait, it should be good until April, though.
It says October. This is the beginning of this month.
No, I know, but it's like 6 months.
Yep. So it expired October 4th, 2024. Today is October 26th, 2024.
Oh my gosh. It says 2023, though. Hold on, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, I don't have the app. Hold on just a moment. Oh my gosh, I am so sorry.
You're good. Just pull it up for me, alright?
Okay, I'll pull it up for you.
Alright. Carrie, you mind just stepping out of the car for me real quick? I just want to talk to you outside.
Sorry, I actually had the guy pull out the rest of the progressive.
We're just going to move right over here on the curb.
Do you mind if I just download the progressive app?
Yeah, you're good. I just want to move out of the roadway so we don't get hit by any cars or anything.
Of course. How are you tonight?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm really well, thank you so much. I'm so sorry, I did switch over my car insurance, and I didn't realize that I downloaded the app.
When did you end up switching over?
Can I look at my email?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
When did you end up switching over?
I switched over, honestly, it was probably like August.
Okay.
And because I didn't realize that I had to like switch and update. Hold on. Scheduled payment October 5th, reminder.
Did you miss a payment?
No. It should be on auto pay for months now. For months. Does it say something on your end?
So, listen, what I'm getting back on my end is that your license is suspended. As
My license?
Yep, correct. As well as your registration.
My registration?
So, hold on.
I'm so sorry.
Your registration is normally suspended because you either don't have insurance on your car, or the insurance lapsed, or you ended up switching insurances and the DMV didn't get a hold of it and they don't think that you have insurance. So I don't know what the aspect might be as to why it is suspended.
So sorry.
I'm having my dispatcher check right now.
Thank you.
But did you know that your license was suspended?
No, I didn't. I had no idea because I don't even have any points or anything on my license. Right?
She steps out thinking it's just a missing insurance card, but the officer drops the double hammer: suspended license and registration. Procedurally, officers have to trust the dispatch system over a driver's word. Have you ever had a crazy DMV glitch like this?
No.
Okay. All right. Just give me 1 second. All right, listen. Kara, it was?
Kara, yeah.
Okay. Did you have anything to drink tonight?
No, I didn't.
Nothing at all?
No.
Okay. Because I smell some alcohol on your breath.
My breath?
Yes.
No.
No?
I just came off from a double and then we went out to eat.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I got you. Listen, I'm just going to run some tests on you just to make sure that you're fine to drive and everything. Okay?
I can pull this up too if you need. I just have to log in.
We'll just wait for that. First, we just want to run the test, just make sure that you're good and everything, and then if you're good, we'll put you back in the car, and then you can pull it up, okay?
Can you just reiterate how my license is suspended?
It's because you are not insured. Your motor vehicle is not insured, so your registration got suspended in August, and then your license got suspended because you don't have insurance on your car in September.
Okay. Sorry
right.
about that.
You're
So,
good.
if I do have insurance, which I'm sure I have insurance because I just called them recently about a thing that I had to dispute or whatever. So, what would I have to do with my license moving forward?
You'd have to go to DMV and get it reinstated.
Reinstated?
Yeah, restored.
Might be able to do it online. I'm not 100% though. Depends.
Yeah, you'd have to go to DMV and ask them. But so
What about my registration?
Same thing.
DMV?
Yep. So listen, we're just gonna move over here. It's a little bit flatter in this parking lot. Okay. You want to run it real
do
quick?
I have to go to my insurance company and say anything about?
Yeah. So
license?
if you just want to put your phone away for right now, and I'll
sorry.
explain everything for you a little bit later. Okay.
Sorry, I'm
All right.
confused.
So listen, the first test. I got you.
I'm so sorry.
So the first test. Here you go.
Thank you.
You can just put that in your pocket. My sergeant is going to run on you is HGN, horizontal gaze nystagmus. Okay, he's just going to check your eyes. All right. So if you just stand with your feet together, arms at your side, just like that,
Yep.
and then he'll explain the further.
Look straight ahead.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
All right. Do you have any head injuries? Are you wearing contacts? Do you have any problems with your eyes or anything?
No contacts.
All
No problems with my
Do
eyes.
you feel dizzy or anything?
No dizziness.
Okay. All right. You see the top of the pen?
Yes, I do.
All right. I want you to follow the top of the pen. Your eyes only. Don't move your head at all. Do you understand the instructions?
Just with my eyes, not my head.
Okay. Don't move your head. Just your eyes.
I'm not with my head, am I?
You did. Don't move your
Oh,
head.
you're right. I saw my eyes. It's just I didn't see the pen.
You see it, PJ?
Yeah. It was just in the dark spot. Not that I
You
didn't
stay
see
still.
it.
Stay there. You keep your head still, okay? Six.
Okay. All right. Listen. So the next test.
I don't know if you want to. You got a line there. I don't know if you want to cut.
Yeah. We'll use this. All right. So if you just want to walk over here real quick. If you want to stand right here and just face me. All right. Right on the line.
Oh.
So, like the last test, just put your feet together, arms at your side. All right.
at my side.
Yep. So the first test that we're going to do is a walk and turn. Okay. So you're going to put your left foot in front of your right, just like this.
My left
your
foot in front
yep.
of me?
Left or right, doesn't matter. I'm going to do it with my left, all right? So, put your left foot out in front of you, arms at your sides, just like this, all right? While your feet are on the line, all right, you're going to take 9 steps forward. Real quick, before we start that, do you have any injuries with your legs? Your legs are all good? There's
No,
nothing
my legs
wrong?
are good. My joints are a little iffy, but legs are good.
All right. So You're going to start at this position, just like this, okay?
Okay, left foot forward. Got it.
Yep, right in front. You're going to start heel to toe, okay? So that means your back of whatever heel is in front, right at the other foot, the toe. All right, you're going to take 9 steps forward. I'm going to demonstrate for you.
Okay.
Counting out loud. 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
4, 5, all heel to toe steps, and then you're going to turn around on one foot, face the other direction, 9 steps back, while counting out loud. Okay? Do you understand the instructions?
18 steps total. 9 steps one way, 9 steps the other way.
Correct.
And you want me to just go, and you want me to walk.
Yep.
And then
heel
you want me
to toe.
to hit the toe to the heel.
Yep.
Like, specifically hit the shoes.
Yep. That would be perfect. Just like this.
Yep.
Heel to toe.
Heel to toe.
9 steps forward while counting out loud. 9 steps back.
I'm counting.
Okay. You understand?
Let me know when you're ready.
You understand the instructions?
Yes. Does
Okay.
it sound like I
Yep.
know the instructions?
Yep. You can start now.
Okay. 1.
While keeping your hands at your side.
Oh, I'm so sorry. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Go ahead.
You got that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. You can turn around and face me.
Yes.
While we're doing this test, I'll just ask you to keep your arms at your sides, feet together. All right?
Yes.
So the next test is going to be the one leg stand.
Okay.
All right? So,
Okay, so my balance has always been off, and my physical therapist can tell you.
okay. All right.
On my right foot, especially.
Alrighty.
Sorry.
So the next one that I'm going to have you do, next test, is going to be arms at your sides, feet together. When I tell you to start, you're going to raise one leg, whichever one of you're choosing, approximately 6 inches off the ground. While you raise the leg 6 inches off the ground, you're going to look at your toe. All right?
Look at my toe.
Yep.
Okay.
While keeping your hands at your sides, and you're going to count out loud. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Correction. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, so on and so forth until I tell you to stop, okay?
Okay.
You understand the instructions?
I'm just going to repeat it back to make sure that I understand them, if
Yep.
that's okay. I'm just going to hold my foot out, any one of my choosing, and then I'm just going to count 1 1,000, 2 1,000, and then you're just going to tell me to stop whenever?
Yep.
Okay.
So keep your arms at your sides.
My right is a little unbalanced compared.
Listen, so whatever foot of you're choosing, whatever one you're more comfortable with. I'm raising my left for demonstration.
Okay.
Okay? But you can do whatever foot that you choose.
Yeah.
Okay? So as soon as you start, you're going to look at your toe
At my
while
toe.
it's raised,
Yeah.
approximately 6 inches off the ground.
Yep.
1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, so on and so forth until I tell you to
loud?
stop, all right? Yep.
Out loud?
Yes.
Sure. You just let me know when.
You could start.
Whenever?
Yep.
Okay. Hands down. Okay. Looking at my toes. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000. Sorry, 6 inches. 7 1,000, 8 1,000, 9 1,000, 10 1,000, 11 1,000, 12 1,000, 13 1,000, 14 1,000, 15 1,000, 16 1,000, 17 1,000, 18 1,000, 19 1,000, 20 1,000.
All right, you're good. Alrighty. Just give me 1 second.
Okay. And then I also, I'm so sorry to interrupt, but I can also download the app. I'm so sorry about that I had
Okay.
the one printed out.
Yeah.
It's been from October. October 4th, it looked like it said from, but I can download the app and I can prove that I've been paying.
Okay.
Watch how the officers step back to quietly compare notes. With 6 out of 6 impairment clues confirmed, her balance tests tell the whole story. The cops keep it completely professional right before dropping the hammer. At what point do you think she realized an arrest was inevitable? Let me know below in the comments.
Alright, for right now, just put your hands behind your back, alright?
Okay.
Listen, so you're placed under arrest for driving while under the influence? Yep. You just release your hands.
I'm sorry about that.
You're good.
That's
And who is that to? That's your boyfriend?
That's not my boyfriend.
Coworker?
No, we're just going up to something.
You have anything in your pockets beside your phone?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Alright, we're just gonna walk over there.
I have my keys and then
Alrighty. Your keys for your car?
My keys for my car.
Headquarters 141.
214,
Alrighty. It's just keys in this pocket?
And then the wallet's in this one.
The keys are in this one?
No, they should be in this one.
Okay.
Unless I took them out already.
Yeah, I didn't feel them.
Okay, they're probably either in the cupboard.
Alright. Alright. You can just have a seat in the car. Just give me 1 second. I'll be right back with you, alright?
Okay.
Alright. Alright, listen, Kara, I grabbed your wallet and keys. Are there anything else that you want me to grab from the car?
Is there anything else that you think I need?
I don't know what's in the car, so...
Am I going somewhere for the whole night?
If you get somebody to pick you up, you would be released. But, I mean, if not, then you would have to wait with us
Is that
for a
the
little
only
bit.
test that
Yes.
I have for... The only one?
Yep.
The only one?
Those
the
three.
only one?
Yep. Those 3 that were just administered to you are your 3 tests.
Which ones? Okay. I only got 2, though.
3.
What was the second?
I'll speak to you later.
I'm sorry,
All right.
you're right.
But is there anything else I need to grab from the car that you need?
Do I have my cell phone because I need
Yep.
maybe contacts?
Yep.
Okay.
So we're all good? Wallet, keys,
We got the wallet,
cell phone.
the keys.
Alrighty.
Making sure my car is out of the way.
Yep. So your car is going to be getting towed to our impound yard. All right.
Oh my goodness. Are you kidding?
Yes, that's what
No,
the law.
the answer is no.
No, I'm sorry. That's the law. So,
What's your name?
Patrolman Malachi.
Malachi.
Yep. So just give me 1 second. All right. I'll be right back with you. What's up?
This is really embarrassing. So if I say it, you better laugh at me.
Okay.
Does it matter? So if I'm going to embarrass myself, it doesn't matter?
Does it what?
Matter?
If you're what?
If I'm to embarrass myself, does it matter if
I mean, that's up to you.
Okay.
So, is she able to call somebody to pick her up, or does she want him to sign
I
for
can
her?
call somebody.
It's up to you. Do you want? I don't know if you want him to sign for you and give you a ride home in an Uber, or because obviously, that's up to you. Because the car is going to be impounded for 12 hours.
12 hours.
So he said he's going to call an Uber, but if you're willing, I'm willing to let him sign you out and take an Uber home.
I'm willing as well.
All right. All right. Just give me a couple minutes. All right.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. All right. You could step out.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
And you said something was up with my license. I just
So your license is suspended. Headquarters, can you close the west, please?
I'm sorry. I didn't know. So would you mind letting me know?
Negative. It's just open a little bit. Try putting it up all the way and then down.
Is it for the insurance you said?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
So your registration got suspended because you didn't have insurance on the car.
I do have insurance. I can prove it.
Okay. So that's what we'll look at when we get inside.
Okay.
You can close it now, please.
A wrong-way mistake just snowballed into an impounded Jeep, a DUI arrest, reckless driving charge, and a 0.099% BAC at the station. It's a harsh reminder that excuses can't beat a breathalyzer. Drop your take on this stop in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more raw body cam reality.